Hello. So in this video, I'm going to show you how I do my makeup for Kurapika from Hunter x Hunter, so let's go. Starting out with basics such as primer, I use the e.l.f. Blemish Control Face Primer. Next is foundation. I use the NYX Can't Stop, Won't Stop Full Coverage Foundation. Now concealer, nothing fancy, it's just a Maybelline concealer. And finishing off the base makeup with L'Oreal Paris True Match Super Blend Setting Powder. And setting spray, I like to use Ben Nye's Final Seal. And now moving on to the contour, once again, nothing fancy, just some e.l.f. bronzer. For Kurapika, I like to do a semi-masculine contour because my face is a bit rounder than his, but he doesn't have like a super like masculine face. Moving on to eyeshadow, I'm starting out with the ColourPop palette or an out in the color Young Love. For my next color, it's the same palette in the color Eurovision. And finally, I'm finishing up with the Saharan by Juvia's in the color Katsina. Now for eyeliner, I'm using the NYX Epic Ink Liner in the color Dark Chocolate. And we finish that off with a little more setting spray. And now for eyebrows. I don't have an eyebrow pencil, so I'll be using the eyeshadow palette, the Zulu by Juvia's, and the brown color. And now for blush, I'm using the Maybelline Master Contour palette, but just the blush part. And for highlighter, I'm using the Benefit Cookie. And of course, finishing us off with a bit more setting spray. And there you go, custom makeup for Kurapika from Hunter x Hunter. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed drowning in an indescribable emptiness.
Kurapika is now drowning in an indescribable emptiness.